Well, yeah, I guess I'm just showing footage now that's completely out of order. I don't know. Maybe I'm Star Wars now or Firefly whenever it was on TV, just showing you in episodes and there's no order to it, bullshit. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cary and I talk and do everything pinball. So if that sounds interesting to you, then hit that subscribe button down below. So I was going through all my video footage that I have on my computer, and I stumbled across something that I lost, and that is the footage for the Addams Family complete restoration that Jason is performing pretty much as we speak right now. So this footage is actually a prequel to what I've already shown you in my previous update, so I'm gonna try to categorize this as update, I don't know how I'm gonna categorize this video. Basically, it is footage that you have not seen, and earlier footage of basically him doing the whole process of rebuilding the cabinet, and I know there's a lot of you out there that would love to see this. So here is this footage of the basically process of him rebuilding the cabinet. Alright, so we're going to give an update on Addams Family restoration in progress. So this thing is pretty much disassembled, cabinet-wise for sure.
Yeah.
Playfield's still all the total. But there's the guts to the cabinet right there. Luckily, it's very rare that transformers go out, so I'm thinking it'll be alright. Yeah. So any issues that have arisen up that you see that you're concerned about, or what?
Nothing yet. I got some corrosion around here, but I'll
we know that
replace this
DMD's
anyways.
probably shot anyways.
Yeah. Change it out. We'll try to get a Merco Gold Series glitter playfield for it.
A bedazzled playfield. And you have disassembled this damn cabinet to the point of a whole new front, customly made,
and a new bottom.
already cut, and got your start button hole and your shooter. All new bottom. Look at that. Smooth.
Think about that. Looks good, huh?
Looks damn good, man.
Alright. Still need to do a little bit of finish sanding in there, but it's just about done. Still got to cut out the
Well, I mean,
power button.
you gotta have the before right here so that people look at this shit.
Yeah, this is the before.
Well,
This is the one that had the tree growing in with all the rat crap. And anyways, that's the bottom.
yeah.
Look like it got some water in here, or
Oh, yeah.
cat pissed in here, or rats or whatever. I don't know what the hell.
Yeah, that would-
Anyways, it's junk, so it's time to change it out and get fresh.
Sides look pretty decent. Still got a little bit of tackiness from the glue on there.
Get that tackiness off, sand her down, spray some sanding sealer on it, sand her down again smooth, and then take a pocket full of money to TPF and hopefully come out broke with a whole lot of parts.
Yeah. Just walk in there. Who's selling all the Addams Family shit?
Where's Marco at?
Mm-hmm.
Where's Marco at? So, yeah, this thing was pretty ratted out. I mean, it was just pretty well shot. Vendor drilled out a big old hole in it. Veneer was peeling up. So, just decided to make a new one. It's better off just to make a new one and be done with it. We're 3 days into it.
So now we're pretty much just waiting for glue to dry and nice.
Yeah, wait for glue to dry.
Yep.
Clean her up. I'll probably got 2 more days on it, and then it'll be ready to put the vinyl on. I gotta get the vinyl. That'll be another thing we'll be shopping for.
You going to do gold or not?
I'm not gonna do gold. I didn't realize there was so many differences between the gold and
Yeah, you got like a whole different type of a bookcase and
There's a bunch of different
yeah,
stuff.
little stuff here and there.
I think I'm just gonna leave it as a standard on the vinyl. And
But the good thing about this machine and stuff is that since it's so common and so sought after, there are reproductions out the wazoo.
yeah,
I mean, you can get almost every single damn thing on this damn game. Somebody's making it or has it.
it's true.
I was looking all the parts and everything up, and I was like, my God, you can get pretty much every damn thing for this thing. Both of these motors, I mean, are good, except for that's your more expensive one.
Yep.
So any concerns that you discovered that we didn't find during the
Not that I've seen.
good old
Yeah, we gotta do something with that. That's the only thing that I've found really. A couple of wires here, you know, there's an orange wire here. Flippers definitely need to be rebuilt. This machine was on a route for a while. You could tell. Playfield's pretty well trashed on the top side. Every cliffy hole. Show them the wear on the cliffy holes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get a better light on that.
Yeah. Look at that wear, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, that bad boy's wore out.
That's almost termite damage on
That one there's not bad, but that one right there
Yeah.
had it.
Just straight ahead right in the flippers.
Yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of stuff to get replaced, cleaned up on this bad boy. Anyways,
Yeah, you got some broken Turkish right there. Someone sells. This might be what I'm talking about right here, but there's a shielding that I've seen online. I'll have to give you the website, but there's like a metal shielding that can go over your ramp entrance
okay.
for better protection.
Anyway, still got a whole lot of work ahead of us, man, but
So as far as the wire harness go, what the hell did you cut off right here? What is
that's
that?
everything that came out of the machine.
Oh God!
Yeah.
So as far as wire harness goes, with all the cut wires and stuff like that, is it as bad as it looked?
It's not as bad as what we originally thought, but we do have some work. That's about the worst of it right there. So we'll figure all that out a little later. I think the playfield harness has got a couple small spots on it, but it's not as bad as I thought. This one will be that's pretty well the grunt of it.
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Some of that I think I saw all over. Oh no. Yeah. That's pretty easy fix.
Yeah, it won't be bad. I mean, I've got enough extra wire. I'm probably just going to move everything back. I'll put a new connector kit on it. And, you know, all this crap will be cut out and brought back to here. So all the harness will still be in good shape. I'll just cut out the bad stuff and shorten everything a little bit. I think we'll be okay.
Oh, I need to go
Yeah.
by Lowe's and see if I can get something material like that for my cabinet. Yeah, it looks like you got another wire right there.
Got one right there. So
Gosh, it's
a
gonna
couple of small spots.
it's gonna be fun going through all that.
Yeah. As far as I can tell, nobody makes a makes a harness for a TPF. TAF.
TAF,
TAF.
the Addams family.
Anyways, it's a busy playfield, man.
Yeah, I was playing one just recently. I thought I was doing so good on it, and then my score came up, and then I was like nowhere near where everybody else was at, and I was like, well, I guess I wasn't doing that good.
I think it's almost as dirty as the Black Knight was, man. Look right here.
Let me get over there.
All that.
Oh yeah, I could sign my name right there in that.
Yeah, I'd say she had a lot of wear on it, man. This thing was routed out.
I'm going to assume I guess you're probably going to do all new rails again in this one.
Probably. Yeah. That's what the plan is.
You know what's sad is that I bet, you know, once you strip it all down, I bet you can still sell it to somebody.
Maybe.
Get you some money back for your new play field. Get you about $100 or $2 out of it.
Yep. Maybe just hang it on the wall next to the centaur. Make some wall art in here.
There you go.
Yeah, if I get this done, I'll get some legs. Nice chrome legs. I check with pinball plating. Make some nice legs for it, man. It's like got the matches the light blue.
Chris Royalty over there, he does all the good plating and stuff like that. I've been wanting to get some stuff done.
Yeah, I do. They got a light blue over chrome. I want to check that out. It looks good.
Inside rails, a little bit of a dent in that one.
I'll replace them. I'd like to get some chrome plated ones. Do a chrome plated lockdown bar. We'll get it all figured out. It's just money and time.
That's all it is, man.
Yeah.
It's just money.
Money and time.
Translite okay? Look like
good
decent.
shape.
Just needs a little cleaning up.
Just needs cleaning up. It's a real dusty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's salvageable. I'll save $100.
Yeah. And there it is. There is your prequel, a little bit more in depth from what it looked like whenever we, basically before he got the new playfield and all the stuff put together. Before he could actually play it, this was what the machine looked like and gives you a little more idea of the before. And this next video that I'm going to be showing you in the future shows you more of the after and how pretty along this machine is coming. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek right here. It's looking good, huh? Yeah, it's looking real good. So yeah, that's gonna be coming up in the future, so stay tuned for that. So I was gonna wrap this video up. I just wanted to show you the footage that I thought I lost, but I found it, so there you go on that. If you like what you saw, please give me that thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can be notified of whenever I upload something for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, guys, peace out.